Now, getting right into it, the first one is a single crochet foundation row. Now you want to begin every good project with a nice tight slip knot. So there we go. And we're going to place it on our hook. And what we're going to do is chain 1, chain 2, and then we're going to insert the hook into the first chain. You want to get it underneath both of those yarn threads right there. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1 again, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And that'll be your first stitch on a single crochet foundation row. So you're just going to go right back into the top loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. See? Now you have 2. So you're going to insert the hook again in the top loop, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. So it's 1, 1, 2, and just that top loop right there is what you're going into each time. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Do it in one more time. Pull through 1, 1, oops, I accidentally pulled through 2 right there, but anyway, you'll get the hang of it if you just keep doing it. If you want to slow this part down to have speed so you can see it better, you can do that as well. Just gonna do one more, and that is your basic single crochet foundation row. A nice sturdy foundation, much better than just a plain single crochet. I think I start all my projects like that now. Very helpful.